I invite you to sit down or lay your body in a comfortable position and just breathe. I invite you to close your eyes and connect with your breath. Slowly inhale through your nose and allow your lips to part as you exhale through your mouth. I invite you to continue this circle breathing as I guide you through your mindful manifestation meditation. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Notice how your mind begins to soften and relax. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Notice how your body begins to soften and relax. Allow your body to relax deeper and deeper, embracing every suggestion. In this mindful manifestation, it is important to know that every thought, everything you hear, see, smell, is making an impression on your body, your mental, your spiritual, and emotional body. You are the creator, and the more you are aware of your emotions that give you feedback on whether you're comfortable or uncomfortable with what you are receiving, the more you'll be in control of what you're manifesting on a daily basis. The more you can acknowledge your pain, your fears, anything outside of love, the more you can feel, forgive, and eventually affirm your intention. No matter what has happened to you, you can mindfully manifest the reality you desire. The more your desires are connected with uplifting humanity, the more likely they are to come to fruition. Because you are not alone in your manifestations. Everyone is creating and co-creating all around you. The more intention, feeling, and thought you put on what you would like to manifest, the more likely it will come to be. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Start to visualize what you would like to manifest. Not out of a place of fear, but out of a place of love. Media, friends, family may have given you things ideas, or feelings that scared you. And now you have the opportunity to shift that fear to love. During this mindful manifestation, allow your fears, your doubts, and your worries to come to surface. Acknowledge them and why you feel the way that you feel. In this moment, make the decision that you will not be controlled or manipulated by fear. In this moment, you decide what you would like to do and how you would like to move forward to stay true to your soul's calling. In this moment, start to visualize whatever is coming up for you. And make a conscious decision to shift your habits and your thoughts to support this reality that you desire. Whatever you need to do and whatever steps you need to take in this moment, commit to the consistency of moving forward in this direction. Promise yourself you will follow through no matter what, as long as it's in alignment with truth and love. Know that eventually you will find a way. Know that eventually you will have everything that you need to move forward. Know that you are worth your time, energy, and intention. Make a commitment to reflect each morning on how you feel. If you feel yourself in a place of frustration or doubt, take this time of reflection to shift your energy back to love and confidence. When you start your day empowered, knowing that each day is moving you closer and closer to your goal, you are being mindful that it takes time for a goal or desire to come to fruition. Make a commitment each morning to do some type of ritual that brings you joy, whether it be this meditation or reading a book that inspires you, or listening to a podcast, or dancing around your room. Whatever it is that brings you joy, make a commitment to do this ritual every morning for the next 7 days. Visualize what it will look like to do this ritual, visualize how it will make you feel. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Allow your body to completely relax as you slowly open your eyes. When you are ready, start to journal any divine downloads or insights that came through. And remember, you are love.